Sprok-it, the market for anti-stress toys experiencing significant growth. With various designs capturing attention in 2021, sales of puppet spinners increased 16-fold. This particular model, priced at modest $4, is claimed to reduce stress by 80%. It provides a simple and affordable way to keep your hands occupied, helping to declutter the mind and induce calmness. However, the seller humorously leaves a question unanswered: what to do with the remaining 20% of stress? Lockin Smart. The manufacturers of this product claim it has undergone rigorous testing, enduring 10,000 hits with a hammer and still functions effectively. Designed for securing items like key, credit cards, ID cards, and more. The safe can be opened either via smartphone or by entering a PIN code on the keyboard. Its durable build is suitable for outdoor use, with the ability to withstand temperatures for as low as 58 degrees. With the ability Fahrenheit. The accompanying app offers various useful features, including an activation log and the issuance of one-time codes crafted from SPCC cold rolled steel, commonly used in computer cases. With this smart safe is priced at $70. UR-112 AGGREGAT. Next up is a creation from a company from Switzerland, known for its unusual watch. The inspiration for this model came from the most unexpected objects such as Bugatti cars. In addition to the company is promised that it will produce only 25 pieces and sell them for about $253,000 each. Behind the 0.9-ounce watch is some incredibly painstaking craftsmanship. The case is made of PVD coated titanium, and the dial is covered with a sapphire dome. The power reserve is 48 hours and a withstand watch immersion to 98 feet. And to see the seconds indication, you have to lift the case like the hood of the car. A double or nothing challenge for the watchmaker, the manufacturer says. Xasla shoe dryer. Just imagine 24.3 billion pairs of shoes were manufactured worldwide in 2019 alone. That's 3 pairs for each person on the planet. While you wear one of them, you need to take care of the other 2, and this device allows you to dry 2 pairs at the same time. In general, gear such as helmets, clothes, and towels. The model is equipped with a timer, and the duration of the process depends on the item and its condition. For example, wet boots need from 1 to 3 hours, and the delicate mode of operation will not allow things to shrink or deform. The price about $100. HGN Glass Rinser. Here's a device for your kitchen that makes it easy to clean glasses, cups, bottles, or other items. The price starts at $57, and considering that people all over the world drink more than 2 billion cups of coffee every day, it'll come in handy everywhere at home or at work. The device is made of stainless steel and delivers up to 2.6 gallons of water per minute. It is easy to install too, and everything is explained in a video manual. The seller is sure that the gadget will help you waste less water and save time. And it's easy to match the kitchen interior with the 6 colors available. STIRR. Hailing from the United Kingdom, this innovative kitchen gadget is designed to simplify the preparation of soups, sauces, porridge, and various culinary creation. Once activated, the gadget moves around In a pot or a pan, gently stirring the contents, its leg constructed from heat-resistant nylon and can withstand temperatures up to 248 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring your food doesn't stick to the bottom. Powered by 4 AA batteries, the gadget provides 3 speeds and includes a built-in timer. Its back and forth rotation simulates natural steering. With a price tag of $24.50, it's a handy addition to any kitchen. Skeye Nano drone. The recreational drone market is booming, and by 2025 it's projected to reach around $42.8 billion. Drones have versatile application from military operation to food delivery. This small model, priced at about $50, falls into the recreational category, weighing over just 0.35 ounces, a little more than a matchbox. It's equipped with a gyroscope, an accelerometer, and 3 flight modes, making it user-friendly even for beginners. The 100 mAh battery provides approximately 8 minutes of flying time. With an hour charging duration, it's an excellent choice for indoor fun, offering a chance to practice before investing into larger models. Additionally, 4 spare blades are included for potential crashes. Eelo Cyglo. As the global count of bicycles exceed 580 million and the electric scooter market is on the rise with a 26% increase in rentals during the pandemic, it's no surprise that a variety of accessories are now available for safe and comfortable riding. Priced at $69, this backpack stands out with 4 LED lights that function as turn signals, activated by a wireless remote, easy attachable to the handlebars. The backpack can be folded to the size of iPad mini, has a capacity of 55.3 gallons, and boasts a battery life of approximately 20 hours. Watch Dogs Mask. The Watch Dogs game series is widely popular, and Watch Dogs Legion in particular recorded approximately 1.9 million digital copies sold. The game features various masks that players can use, and some gaming communities have even organized mask design contests with winners receiving collector's edition of the game or other bonuses. Many enthusiasts also utilize 3D printers to create new masks, offering a wide variety of options. One such model can be found online for $45, available on major e-commerce platform. This mask boasts 25 different emotions and is powered by CR2032 battery. It has a universal size measuring 6.7 by 6.3, and the emoji change button on the right side of the mask adds element of fun, making it perfect for capturing spectacular photos. Halo Energy Sword. The Halo series, known for the iconic character Master Chief, has expanded its universe across various media, including video games, books, comics, TV series, and feature films. One of the most recognizable weapons in the Halo universe is the Energy Sword, a noble and ancient weapon wielded from the formidable Sangili race. Due to its popularity, there is demand among fans for replicas for the Energy Sword, and manufacturers have responded accordingly. For instance, there's a $93 version available in the Mega Construct series, measuring about 25 inches long. Additionally, creative enthusiasts such as the YouTuber have crafted homemade version of this light effects, adding a unique touch to their creation. STIRR. The inventor of spinners, despite creating the popular toy in 1993, did not achieve millionaire status as her parents had expired by the time. Spinners gained widespread popularity, however. The spinner craze continues, with companies globally producing various versions featuring light, sound effects, unbreakable bearings, and exotic materials like titanium. Amazon offers models with a low noise bearing that spin up for 5 minutes. While AliExpress provides an innovative design with multiple lighting options, prices for these spinners starts at $19. Thread. The Thread wireless charger brings an eco-friendly twist to the market, aligning with the trend of sustainable products. The device body is crafted from acorn starch-based material, and the cables incorporate a straw. The design is inspired by beehives, emphasizing the vital role bees play in the pollinating flowering plants. Buyers can personalize their Thread by assembling components in various colors, offering a total 1,296 combination. For those with smartphones supporting MagSafe, the charger can also function as phone stand. Embracing an eco-friendly lifestyle with Thread comes with a starting price of at least $36.